Mom, go there to the other side. I can't see you, Mom. Go close there. So you have to remove that one first. Okay?
Okay.
And then you pour it in the inside.
I pour this inside the thing?
Yep.
All of it?
Yep. And squeeze it inside. Just put the flowers on top there.
Okay.
Can you see the line of weakness? Mom, everything usually has a line of weakness. Let me show you. Oh, had you seen it?
No. Where is it?
This one. I think. You see that weird triangle?
Yeah.
There.
Line of weakness?
Line of weakness. It's called, go close to the water, Mom. You should tear it on top of the flower vase.
So is it all powder?
On the side, Mommy. Or you cut with the scissors. On the other, on top, Mom. On top of it. It's you're gonna pour it. Yeah. Cut there.
Oh, that was nothing. Hay fever.
And then just squeeze it in.
Hay fever.
Mom, squeeze it in. Lovely.
Hay fever. So is this the
Try
instruction?
and squeeze everything, yeah.
Am I gonna die?
Why?
Some of this went on my finger.
No, it's fine.
I think that's all.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Mm-hmm. I think that's it. And then remove the top paper, the top cover from the flowers.
Okay.
Just you can cut. Use the scissors, man. You can cut on the side. No, from bottom. You have to start from bottom. Yeah.
Oh.
It's fine.
No, it's not.
Are you cutting the flowers, Mom? Now you can tear the paper, Mommy. You can use your hands.
Mama.
That's it. Lovely. And now you can cut that with string. You see the string?
This?
Yeah.
Isn't it just gonna fly onto my face?
Nope. Mom, every time can you cut from the bottom? No, not like that. You can cut yourself that way. Like the scissors have to face upwards, mommy. That's so dangerous. Very risky.
Not.
Is it not?
No.
Okay. Good. And then spread them on top a wee bit. Just spread them. I think we should have bought 2 bundles, but that's fine. Yeah, just spread them.
So where did you just throw the other flowers? Because I want to pick some of them.
You've done what?
Where did you put the other
In the
flowers?
bin outside, mom. Are you happy with
The
this?
bin outside?
Yeah.
I wanted to take the flower petals.
For what, mom? Looks.
Mom, it's stuck. Mom, how do we help her?
I don't know this part.
They're struggling to get out. Can't you see? Be careful. Lucky he got down. By the way, Mom, I think I saw the exact same species of squirrel. A squirrel that is the exact same species as these.
Oh, I missed that. Oh, I can't see it there. It's really fast, honestly. Oh my goodness. That's freaking so pretty and beautiful. Okay, I lost it. I lost it. I have no idea where it's gone.